Well, hello there. Today, I am going to be unboxing the Beaut and Beast Vocabulary and History Melanin Origins flashcards. Please feel free to share this with anyone you think would enjoy a box for themselves. And without further ado, let's get to it. It's finally here, my melanin origins cards for Black History Month and through the year. I'm so excited to open it up. Let's go. Okay, so I am crazy excited to get this open. I've been waiting for them. Here it is, yay! And let's get this out of here. Here we go. Woot woot. My melanin from Beaut and Beast. Woot woot. I'm super duper crazy excited. I've been waiting. I've been checking my mailbox every single day. Look at this cover work. It's so cool. I love it. I've actually been in contact with the creator of the cards, and she is just an amazing person, and her vision is so beautiful, and I really, really appreciate it. And I mean, this is so colorful and it feels really nice. It's glossy. And let's turn it over. Here we go. This actually illustrates the story on why it was created and who it's created for. And it's really excited. It's Black History Month and I'm ready to dive in. So this is what was inside. Once I opened up the box, pulled the cards out, it's got like a little clear plastic band on it, and the cards are really nice. It's the thank you card right there, and here is just the overview layout. I laid out some of the cards and how they look once you pull them out. There's got the word bank cards at the top, but right here is actually the just look at these beautiful illustrations, and these are the other cards that were in there, and that's the box and everything again. But this shows you the word bank cards, and when you turn the card over, it actually has the overview and just tells you something about it. And as a homeschool mom, it's really awesome because I know that I can just go and look this person up, do an in-depth review of them. We can even pick a card, do some projects. We could do something every week, or even, you know, discover somebody every couple of days. I'm really excited. My daughter was like, oh mommy, it's here, can I open it, can I open it? I was really excited. I like the word bank cards. It gives you like vocabulary, especially if your children are older, and they can look through everything. And I mean, it's just really cool. This is my favorite card. My daughter was so excited. She said, what? I'm a leader. She got so excited. I wish I would have got it on video. She said, I'm a leader too. Whoa. And she just was so happy. And so we're going to put her picture on there. That's my absolute favorite card. And it's just, I mean, it's so empowering. I absolutely love it. It was so exciting to see my daughter's face. Because I liked the cards so much, I actually reached out to the creator, Lee Ortiz, and asked if she would offer a bulk purchase rate, and she said yes. So the cards are normally $20 plus shipping, but she'll be offering them to those who enter into this bulk purchase for $15 plus shipping. So that's crazy exciting. If you would like to get in on this bulk purchase order, whether you homeschool or not, just comment below and I'll put you on the list. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited. Ciao ciao. Okay, so that's that. So please don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, even if you're watching on Facebook.
I'll
Say see you later.
see you later.